Okay, intro time. Just kidding. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this look, kind of like a no concealer halo eye. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my ColourPop No Filter Concealer and my Royal & Langnickel Super Crease Brush to create a base. And I know I said this is a no concealer halo eye, but we need concealer for the base, so bear with me. So the colors I'm going to be using is in this NYX Ultimate Brights palette. I'm going to use this purple right here and this pink up here to blend out. So what you're going to want to do is start in here, and then you're going to want to leave the middle of your eye empty. Now that you have the first color packed on, I'm going to take this blending brush and go in with that pink and blend that out. And then I'm going to go back in with that purple to deepen up the color and just keep blending it out. Now that we got the inner and the outer shadows down, to kind of pull this halo look together, I'm going to use my Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm going to use Luna for the center. Just drag down and blend it across. And what I like to do to intensify and to kind of bring out the shininess of the halo eye, I use Lush's Tea Tree Toner to spray it on and activate the, what's it called? Pigmentation. It just really makes a difference. And after you've kind of gotten down the shimmeriness of the halo eye, you can alternate from the highlight and also the purple that I put down to kind of blend it out as you want it to look like. So now that I've gotten that down, I'm going to come back with the other eye and lashes. Okay, and there we have our eyes. And the last steps of my face, I'm going to use ColourPop's Pressed Powder Blush in Parakeet. And then I'm going to go back in with my Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm going to use Luna again. And to pull this look all together, I'm going to use Orchid ABH Lip Gloss. And there we have it, our no concealer halo eye except for the base. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe if you did. And until next time, enjoy me posing. Bye!